I am Dr. A. Karthika, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, SF4 College, Sivagasi. I am going to discuss about the photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis is a process in which light energy is converted into chemical energy. During the process, green plants captures light energy, water, carbon dioxide, minerals and convert it into oxygen and energy-rich compounds. This photosynthesis takes place in two stages. One is the light dependent reaction and other one is light independent reaction. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the light dependent reaction. Light dependent reaction occurs in the thylakoid membrane. It uses photosynthetic pigments to convert light energy into chemical energy, mainly ATP and NADPH. This light dependent reaction occurs in three steps. First one is excitation of photosystems by light energy. Second one is the production of ATP via electron transport chain. And third one is reduction of NADP and photolysis of water. First process, excitation of photosystems by light energy. The photosystems contains chlorophyll embedded with the thylakoid membrane. There are two photosystems present. One is photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Photosystem 1 is otherwise called as P700 and photosystem 2 is otherwise called as P680. P is nothing but pigment. So, in this process, the photosystem 2 absorbs the light energy. Once it captures the light energy, the delocalized electrons becomes energized and get excited. The excited electrons are then transferred to the step 2 process via the carrier molecules called plastoquinone and plastoquinone H2. Here comes the second process, production of ATP via electron transport chain. In this process, electron transport chain occurs and thereby they synthesize the H plus ion, and finally ATP also gets synthesized in this process. So the electrons that get excited from the photosystem 2, let's pass on to the second step via the and enters into the electron transport chain via the cytochrome B6F complex. So, during this electron transport chains, the electrons loses its energy and build up the H plus ions. This is known as the electrochemical gradient or proton motive force. Now, ATP synthase enzymes allows the passage of H plus ions to synthesize ATP from ADP and PI. This overall process is known as photophosphorylation. Here comes the third step, reduction of NADP and photolysis of water. In this process, the reduction of NADP to NADPH occurs and at the same time photolysis of water is also occurs to generate the H plus ions. So, the excited electrons that is derived from the photosystem 1 can be carried out by the carrier molecules like ferredoxin and ferredoxin reductase to reduce the NADP to NADPH. This step is very important and needed for the light independent reaction. So, the electrons that losses from the photosystem 1 can be replaced by the de-energized electrons from the photosystem 2, and at the same time the electrons lost from the photosystem 2 are replaced by the electrons during the photolysis of H2O. Finally, the H2O is split into oxygen and H plus ions. This slide describes the overview of the light dependent reaction. Thank you.